Now, we're gonna cut this. First of all, we have done some copper color here. I have used the no dust highlight, and also I have used the intense color in between the foils, the intense 6044 and the 7044 with 20 volt. As you can see, it's very coppery color. Now we're going to cut this hair to step by step to the bob haircut, but in very easy step. Now first of all, you can see this hair is coming down like this. Now I want to cut the hair roughly in this area, this section. But what I'm going to do for you, do something different. I'm going to bring this one here. Is that too tight? Is okay?
That's fine.
Yeah. Can you see that hair house has gone down? It's very easy. Yeah. Very easy. The hair is coming down. Perfect. Now, same things this side. Just follow your line. So when we cut this one here, I'm going to just bring the hair slightly forward down. Now you can see the full shape is there. After that, all you need to do, either with point cut, usually I do this when the hair is dry. But you can do that when the hair is wet as well, is no problem. So you've seen it. How nice line is that? So you can do this several different ways. Now, again, I'm doing this. Perfect line. So you can see the lines is coming. So it's really that the baseline is so important you to do it. But if you try to do the very soft, very wonky, very steps, that it can make more harder for you the hair to sit nicely afterward. So make sure that the hair is, the base is correct. After that, everything is going to be falling on top of each other much easier. Now, what I'm going to do here, bring this hair down. Bring this hair down as well. Two things I'm going to do first. As I said to you, I'm going to do in very easy step. Very easy step. Now, as you can see in this corner, this hair is just coming down here. Yeah, so this corner is really important, especially if you want this hair to be longer. Try to bring this all hair to the middle here, like this, like this. Can you see? Like this. Now I can see the line. I don't know if you can see the lines is here. Now you can see the line. You seen it? How that line is just going nicely down. So just make sure that all the hair is nice and clean. Now the one thing is very important here, I like to mention it to you, is really, really important. Now watch the finger. So when you're holding the hair, you're bringing it down. Just slightly pull down. So your hair, your finger have to be parallel on top of each other, not like this. So when you're doing like this, the hair underneath it is coming out more, and on top is pulling the hair. So what's that mean? The underneath it become longer, and on top it will become shorter. So you make more layers without you noticing it. But if instead of like this, holding it, hold it like this. Like this, so holding it like this. What's that mean? You make the hair graduation. So you're holding the hair correctly. So you do that, and then your hair, it will fall very nicely. Just very nice. Now, we're coming to this side. Again, I'm bringing all the hair to that side here. Same, exactly the same as we showed you early on. Bringing it. You see how my finger on sitting on top of each other, not holding it like this. It's not holding like this. So if I do that, then here is going to become like this. Here is going to come down, because underneath it is long, on top is short. It's going to flick. So to not flick, that's why you're going to bring this one here. Now when you bring like that and you cut the hair, then you're going to start seeing your hair is coming down much better. So sometimes people, they says to me, how your hair is sit very nice, as soon as you start cutting the hair, it doesn't look like you need to cut anymore, because I give attention to every small detail to make sure that from the beginning till the end, my hair is being cut nicely. So on top of that, so think about the foundation. You do in the house and you put the foundation. When you put the foundation is correct, then the brick will go on top of each other. It's very easy. Just follow the bricks after each other. So you wouldn't see any hard line or anything. It would just go nicely. So the foundation is very important. Now, when this hair is finished, what I'm gonna do, I will come and hold the hair like this, and very gentle, then you will see soft graduations coming on top of the hair. It's gonna look amazing. Now I'm gonna come this side. Now what I'm gonna do here, bring this hair down. Now before I do that, I'm gonna take one forward diagonal section, bring this hair down like this, just like that. Let's make this hair a bit straight. Now, I can see my hair now. I'm not going to give it too much attention to the hair. I'm just going to go and cut it like this. First of all, if you want to, just cut it with free hands. Now, you can see where it is with free hands. Just small forward graduation. Now what we're going to do, take small section behind the ears, bring this hair down. What I'm going to do now, just on top of like tips of the hair to make it nice cut, and I'm going to bring this hair down, all the hair down, because I don't with less tension. Now just tap gently and then go just the end of the hair. Make sure that end of the hair no longer has left. It's absolutely perfect. You seen it? Now I'm going to bring the next section just nicely down. Again, I'm going to take one section behind the ears and bringing this one down, bringing it, and I'm going to just follow the hairline like this. Now look at that. You see in the shape is absolutely amazing. Now I'm going to bring this one down here. If you have any comment, please comment it, and I will do my best to explain your answer your question. So now I'm going to bring this one down. Again, if you want to, you can do free hands first, just free hands. Bring this one down, and then just do like this. And then take this hair Just tap it nicely and then just gently the end of the hair. Now you bring it down and see the hair is followed down perfect. It's so simple, so simple. Now we go to the other side. It's exactly the same. We take one section, bring this hair up, and now we're gonna bring this one hair nicely down to make it a bit straight. Bring this one down. I'm gonna make it where it is. Now, same, I'm gonna just follow my hairline like this, free hands. After I have done that, I will take my hair, just one section behind the ears, bring this one down, and then just take tiny bit, and then I will take the rest of the hair, bring it down, tap a little bit, take it back, tap a little bit, and now I can see just tiny bit here. Is perfect. Now I take all the hair down, so now I take one section behind the ears, bring all this hair down, and then take all the hair, tap it. If you want to, again, bring it down. Do it free hands first. So roughly you know where it is. Now you just do the end of the hair. Nothing is there because we already cut it. Now we'll bring this one, tap it gently. The hair is look amazing. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to blow dry the hair. After I blow dry the hair, I'm going to start give that kind of texturizing it, texturizing the hair. So if you want to see, it says, somebody say happy birthday, thank you very much. Today is my birthday. Today I feel like 26. I'm even 46, so I am like 26. But guys, I can't say how young I'm looking. So really, now you can see the graduation is really already starts coming down. Unfortunately, because of noise of the hair blow drying the hair, the noise of the hair dryer, you wouldn't understand anything. So it best me to blow dry it and to come back later and to show you some texture, how I'm doing it, and it's just gonna feel fantastic. Thank you very much. See you later, alligator. Ciao. Yachida.